Kenya no mathiete na mbere na kurio mathingate mawatho ma thirikari niguo kwigitira na murimu wa COVID-19 o riri arwaru a murimu uyu mathiete na mbere na kuongerereka guku bururi-ini na umuthi andu angi 8 magikurikana gukorwo na murimu uyu namba ya aria mena ikirugamira 216.
We have tested 694 samples. Out of these samples, 8 have tested positive for coronavirus disease, bringing the total number of confirmed cases in the country to 216.
Kuringana na ithabu riria riheanitwo ni ministry rigia arwaru thiini wa kaunti itiganite ihinda-ini ria mweri umwe uria murimu uyu ukoretwo guku bururi-ini, kaunti ya Nairobi niyo itongoretie na arwaru 101, kaunti ya Mombasa ikirumirira na 34, kaunti ya Kiambu arwaru 7, kaunti ya Nakuru arwaru 5, Nyandarua arwaru 2, Murang'a arwaru 2, nayo kaunti ya Nyeri ikiandikithia murwaru umwe gatagati ga kaunti ingi.
Thank you for all these questions.
Ihinda-ini riu CS ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri wa muingi Ndagitari Mercy Mwangangi augite ati uthuthuria uria utafanitio ni ataramu wonanitie ati imwe cia icigo kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ciri ugwati-ini wa andu kunyitwo ni murimu uyu, noguo mihango ya guthima muingi tanyitwo kwambikwo icigo-ini ici.
We have also identified different cluster areas, and in the coming week we shall be able to share with you where these cluster areas are within Nairobi County and in the different counties. As an example, Kibera has been identified, and we shall also have prioritized testing in that cluster.
Oho Mwangangi niongereire na kuga ati ni marikitie gwetha njira cia kumateithiriria hari gwethana na aria mahutanitie na aria mena murimu uyu niguo gutigirira hatire mundu ona umwe ukuiga muturire wa Kenya hatikaini.
Contact tracing is extremely crucial in the fight of coronavirus, and there are different ways in which this is being conducted. In Kenya, we have a heavy able team working in the Emergency Operations Center. We've been able to deploy what we call our field epidemiology registrars. These are field-type residents who have been undergoing a master's training for 2 years, and we have them supporting the contact tracing mechanisms. And we've taken this further and employed different IT technologies. We have applications, and perhaps in the coming week we'll be able to share that with you Kenyans in terms of how we are utilizing IT to be able to do, indeed, a lot of rigorous contact tracing.
No ona kuri oro uguo mundu ungi umwe ni arikitie kuhona murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, riu namba ya aria marikitie kuhona ikirugamira 81. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.